In today's video, I'll teach you how to update UC Browser app. So if you want to update the UC Browser app, it is actually very simple. Updating the application is very important in order to access the new features and smoother performance. Also, if there are some bugs in the application, they'll also be fixed after the update. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device, tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top of your screen. Now what you have to do is search for UC Browser. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on this option UC Browser that you can see on the screen. Now in this interface, you should be able to find the option for update. If you do not see the option for update over here, that means your application is already up to date. Otherwise, tap on the update option. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now you'll be able to use the latest version of the UC Browser app. So that is how you update UC Browser app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.